Hi there, I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. This is from Ike Paz called Shigai Royalty. And so it creates Amazon, Kindle, KDP, whatever you want to call it, puzzle books, particular MURDOKU style. I've used my site. I usually use the end result. This is the site. You click the link in the video description. It'll take you to this site. And I'll give you a quick rundown just to give you because there's more than just this one product from Ike Paz. That's the real reason for it. And sometimes that gets missed. So I'll just quickly mention, and I'm going to scroll through the my page. So here you click the link and you're at, bam, right there. It's called Internet Marketing Success, marketingsharks.com. Here you go with Shigai Royalty and a bit of a description of how it works, what it is, creating these different logic puzzles and creating books that are up on Amazon Kindle. And like they say here, there's the same overcrowded niches, coloring books, journals, word searches. You've got to do something different. And some of these things that were in the past super time consuming are now with the software, they crank it out. So here's the kind of thing. You need to build every clue, every suspect, every solution by hand. This software does it all for you. So I'm going to screen it past that. Look at this. Here's how it goes. Pick a scenario, choose your grid size and suspect count, set the difficulty, generate your book. Bam. And you can see here different deduction puzzle types, difficulty levels from easy up to dragon. I should scroll past this. And here we go with the upgrade offers. So the front end, $19. And it lets you do whatever you need to do. 100 PDF exports a month. That 3+ a day will cover almost anybody. There's some upgrades here. I don't know. You want to have unlimited PDFs for another $57? Okay. Here we go with more art packs, more story wizards, different premium variants for other, really the way the book looks. And then you can have other ones here. There's another upgrade for $47. It does math, whodunits, and things like that. So math skill generators, a whole bunch of things. And here's what I wanted to show you. This is really the whole point of me doing this. That's the bottom of the blog post. You click that link, boom, you're at the page. And I'll do that in a moment. But you can see underneath different sharing options. And then look at this as you come down. So Ike Paz is the creator of the Shigai Royalty. You can see just in the one that I brought up here, there's 3 different other products, Manaka Royalty, Techo Royalty, Royalty Prints. Click on those if you're interested in. Obviously, open them in a separate thing, but you'll see they are other variations. And Ike Paz is on a lot of these, creating a book for Kindle using AI software, however you want to look at it. And so make money by printing different kind of books. So if you do another coloring book, there might be 1,000, 10,000 people with coloring books. You got an uphill slog to make your pretty little coloring book stand out. These are different, really small niche categories, and the software creates the whole 9 thing. Low content books, that's really what it's all about. So you can have a book printed up on Amazon. I'm sure there's an initial getting your account approved and things like that. Once you get going, you're doing all the work today and it's done, and you're submitting it and it starts to make sales. So I'm going to scroll back up. Shigai Royalty, this is the big top seller in the last little bit. Click the link in the video description. It'll take you to my site and you can check that out. And I will carry on to, let's see if I'm going to be able to be showing you this. Yeah, it does show you. Okay, so now I've clicked on you click on the product box or the link, and here you go. You're at the page, and here you go. Whodunit grid into Amazon royalties without writing anything. That's a pretty good pull, but obviously the software does it, right? Good demo video there, and I'll let you scroll through. But the whole 9 yards, $19 grabs you a copy of it. And guys are actually, so I like that he's not showing, oh, we made $275,000. That kind of stuff is not what you want to see, because yeah, there might be some guy who's making, but there can only be one Stephen King, and everybody else is just a shadow in his presence. If that makes sense, then any of these things, you're unlikely to be the top seller. But what if you could make, this is, I think, 258 euros for this month. Yeah, that's good. What if you start having more than one book. And that's the kind of the whole thing we're talking about, the uploads, how you can upload up to 100 in a month. Yeah, now you start to get, don't go 258 times 100, but do go $50. Let's say there's some that are complete failures, some that are pretty good, and it averages out to $50. And if you can do 100 of those, now you're starting to have an income. And if you can do that month after month, you're going to build it up. So you can see that it does continue to make sales, readings, royalties, the whole 9 yards. And you'll get checks from Amazon just as regular as clockwork. And here's a better, here's $8.57. So this is maybe a starting out point. You can see there's nothing, and then they just get going. And it's going to continue to be getting up 14,000. That's not what you want to be looking at. But here, $158, right? So 51 orders, 400 pages read. This is creating a good thing, putting it out there. This might be on your upper end. And you can see here, some of these guys are getting $6, €6. Some of them are getting small checks, and some of them are getting bigger checks. Yeah, like that kind of stuff. And again, any of these books, they show Etsy there. So you can imagine you don't just do it on Kindle. You can sell it on Etsy. You can sell it on your own website. You can sell it on TeacherpayTeacher. There's a whole bunch of these kind of individual, it's not coming to me right now, but it's not going to come to me. I'm going to stop. They're basically sites where you upload the product and connect up your PayPal account, and then people can buy it and pay you, and away you go. So there's, if you just were to search for Kindle alternatives or Etsy alternatives, will get you some of those kind of things. And you go, oh, there's other ways that I can, other sites that I can sell my product through. And so now, not just one check, maybe you're getting 10 checks from a whole series of different ones. Some of it's dropped into your PayPal, some of it's sent in checks, some of it's left in your account, and so on. So just some different ideas. And you can see these are some different formats, even different formats in Kindle. They'll sell it in Japan, they'll sell it in Germany, and so on. I'm going to leave you here. Click the link in the video description and go check out Shigai Royalty. This is the #1 top seller for the last 3 days. I should have done a video before. Here you go. Click the link, go check it out. They'll have you on my site. You click the product box at the top or the link at the bottom, and boom, you're right here. You can grab it for $19 and have a product created, at least submitted, before the end of the day today. How's that for writing a book in 1 day? Go check it out. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. It's called Shigai Royalty from Ike Paz. And like I say, at the bottom of my blog post, which is what you'll be clicking to, there are other products from Ike Paz. He's done other things, and it's just fascinating to see. This is the newest. This is the most cutting edge. Check it out.